Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. This is for the reveal of my finished 1958 Chevy. And with further ado, there it is. It was really a fun build. It's the first build I've done in 52 years. My last build I did, I was 19 years old. I'm going to be 72, and I'm really glad I got back into the hobby. This is hopefully one of many more. It's an AMT kit, painted with a NCW Fathom Blue metallic, which is a proper color for 1958. It's also cleared with their enamel clear with hardener. And it's got a 409 dual quad engine from Iceman. It was painted with the new Swallowtail from Gaahleri, which I really love. And it's just been a fun build. First time I've ever used foil for doing the chrome, and it wasn't as hard as you think it is. I'm really happy I did. Under the hood, I did wire the spark plugs and the coil. That's all the wiring detail I did on this one, which I will get better as I do more. Let me show you the undercarriage. Undercarriage, I got the headers. I had to shorten the mufflers to make the pipes work. Put the teardrop hood on it. It came out pretty good. I did want to blacken this. I just didn't. I ran out of satin black. Bare metal foil for the insignias. Interior's done. It's got triple gauges. Tachometer on the steering wheel. It's got a aluminum tips for the exhaust. I did not wet sand and polish this, but I'm pretty sure my next build I will attempt that. Paint came out pretty good. It's got some dirt in it, but it's not bad. There's a close-up of the engine compartment. I'm really happy with this for my first build. Got a shifter on it from MCV. Tires and wheels are stock came with the kit. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you for checking in, and I can't wait to start my next build, which is a 1937 Chevy. It's going to be a gasser. This is a 1/18 scale diecast from Auto World. It's of the beautiful 1970 Dodge Charger. This combination was one of 54 that were built that year with a Hemi and 4-speed. This is one of one that was built in this color. This vehicle was featured in Mecum, I think last year or the year before, from a private collection. This is a really nice diecast. There's that beautiful Hemi engine. Nicely wired diecast. Does have lights that retract. There's the beautiful pistol shifter. Dash and door panels are nicely detailed. It's got a Goodyear spare tire. Car was in North Carolina. Another shot of the interior. Underneath was detailed perfectly. Just like the factory cars, had the overspray on the underside. The undersides were not fully painted. This has a feature where you spin the tires. It's got a rear diff that actually works. It's pretty cool. Get her focused. It's got beautiful lines. Any Blake Clicks diecast that would fit into anybody's collection. And with that, that's all I have for now. Hope you enjoyed this little segment. Something I'll be doing from time to time. I have a vast collection of diecast cars.